Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. We can use about this formula in here. So we need to transform this one into this one. So that should be about cosine number 2 multiplied by s over number 2. And this one we have s. Next, we can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to cosine 2s, cosine s. Later that, we need to do first derivative for the both sides, and we have negative sine s ds. Because we don't have the negative sign in here, so I will put this one go to the left. This one we change for u. Sine s ds we change for negative du. So we can use about integration by parts. So I will put about t equals to negative ln u. So we need to do first derivative for the both sides. dv that is about du. The integration of this one, we have v equals to u. So we have t multiplied by v minus, we need to put dt multiplied by v. So negative, and this one we have this one in here. So negative and negative, we got positive. U divided by u, we have number 1. The integration of this one, that is about u. And I will put about c. About u, that is about cosine s. This is the end. Thank you for watching.